Hi guys, subscribe to my channel to never ever miss out any of the learning videos from my channel. So guys, yes, in this video I'll be talking about Upstock trading platform. Yes, so this is a web-based Upstock trading platform that is Upstocks Pro. Okay, so this is how it looks. And yes, once you log into your Upstock by entering your user ID and password, so this is how the chat and everything looks. Okay, so this is how the platform is. So I'll be telling you about this platform in this video, like how to buy and sell and how to use these features, and there's a lot of other things which you might not know. So I'll be telling you that in this video, so make sure you watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding this. And if you're new to my channel, a subscribe to my channel would be amazing. And also, if you're new to a stock market trading and want to learn how to make consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join my course today. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. So guys, there is an offer from Upstock where you can earn interest when you open your trading account. So you can open your free trading account by clicking on the link in the description below of this video. So there's a little bit of advantages what you get here. That is, you get zero balance saving account which is powered by Indus India Bank, and you get brokerage credit up to 500 rupees, and you can earn up to 6% interest on your trading account balance. So whatever balance you maintain, you get up to 6% on that. And there's a smart transfer features to skip transfers between your saving and trading account. Okay, and also once you open your Upstock account by using my link in the description below of this video, you'll be added to my Telegram channel. Lot of news on stock market and also some interesting fact about stock market where I'll be sharing with you guys. You can watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding this. So guys, by being said that, now let me show you the features and advantages what are there in Pro Upstock. Okay, so this is how the platform looks. And yes, at the top left side what you're seeing here is a watch list. So I have added some of the few of the stocks here, if you guys can see. And if you want to add any of the stock, just click on this plus button and you can type. Okay, for example, let's tell we have to add Grasim. So just type the name and click what you want to add, that is equity or a future or option chain or indices. So whatever you want, you can select it. Okay, just with one search you can select all the things. You can select whether you want to put CE or PE or equity or future. Everything can be selected in one click itself. So I felt that feature is very useful and easy. Okay, because whatever you want to search, either you have to search a stock or a future, that you can scan manually and add it from there. Okay, and here are some of the other things which you guys can see. So this is sort option, which you can sort by alphabet or percentage or by a price. And this is a toggle view, you can view it by the stock price or the stock volume. So this is what it's showing right now, is a stock volume, not price. Okay, SBIN, it is showing the current volume. So if I click that and toggle, you click on stock price, so it will show the stock price itself. So this is how it works. Okay, and coming to the chat view, so let me just click on chat. So here also you can see some of the features. So if you click on this more button, you can see chat, and another one option is set price alert. So if you click on set price alert, you see this page, that is, for example, now the SBI trading is at 366.90. let's say you want an alert at 370, so you can type it. Okay, you can select greater than or equal to, and you can write the note whatever you want, like buy, and click on set alert. So that time the alert will be set. Okay, and once your stop reaches 370, you will get an alert telling the SBI is at 370. So if you want to buy it or sell it, you can do whatever you like it. So this I will set a price alert, and that was one of the option which we get in more. And you can pin it to a ticker. So in that you can see your Nifty and Sensex here at the top left. So if you want to change it to any stock, you can come here and click on this and click on pin to ticker, and that will be changed just like that. Okay, so yes, that is how it looks here. So that is about the more options. Now coming to the chat, yes, this is a chat where you can see in all the platform that is same, and that is like 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes. So you can select any candle time frame, whatever you like to use. And also there is a special button here. So if you click that, it will change to trading view. As you guys know, Zerodha has also got a trading view platform, and even Upstock has also implemented the trading view chat. So here you can see the trading view chat if you want to see. So let's keep it in chat view itself. And if you want to see any stock in a pop-up view, you can click this button. So once you click that, it will open in a pop-up menu. So it's a full screen chat what you can see once you use this option like this. Okay, so this is how it loads up. It will load up in a full screen. Okay, and here you get to see a lot of studies, that is indicators. Okay, so a lot of the indicators are same in Zerodha and Upstock. So you can find all the indicators here which are useful if you're doing a lot of technical analysis. Then Upstock platform is good, and you have all the needed indicators here. Okay, and not only that, you have something called as option chain. So if you click that, you get this kind of window. So guys, this is actually useful for the people who are trading in options mainly. Okay, you get a lot of options here. Okay, so if you are an option trader, then if you are not having an Upstock account, you can go to the link in the description below, click on the link and open the account and get this feature of option chain here, which will be useful for you. Okay, and also you have stock info what you can see. So let me just go to the chat and show you that. So this one, so there's a I button. So if you click that, you can see information about the stock, like how the stock is performing right now. Okay, where is the upper circuit of the stock and where is the lower circuit and what's the previous close, and the trading volume and everything can be seen, like where is the 52-week high and low. So in a brief, you will get to know where the stock is and how the stock is performing if you click on that info button of the stock. Okay, so let's come to the order placing window. So if you want to buy or sell, you can simply click B if you want to buy and S if you want to sell. So after clicking that, you get this window. Okay, so you can enter the quantity what you get here. Okay, like 100, 200,000, whatever quantity you want to trade. So you can just type that, and once you type that, it will show you how much margin you want at that time itself. It shows real-time calculation, which is good. Okay, so after you type that, if you want to trade in intraday, select intraday, or if you want to do for holdings, then select on delivery. Okay, so let's keep it as intraday for this video. So yes, intraday. And complexity, as you guys know, there's no margins are given, no extra margins are given by the SEBI rules, so you can use only simple order now. So no cover order or OCO order is available right now in any brokerages, as if I know, like because I use only Zerodha and Upstock. So in this both, I don't have option of OCO order or BO order right now due to the margin rules. They have blocked it right now, so I'm using only simple orders. Okay, and here you get market type, like order type what you have to place, like market, limit or SL. So you can choose whichever you are placing the order. So click that and then click on review order and buy it. Okay, so you might have wondering where is the order book or position of Upstock. So it's actually below here, you can see has orders. So if you click that, you can see orders, and here you can see positions, and here you can see holdings. Okay, so yes, this is very simple looking platform, which is very nice. Even if the chart open at the top, you can see your all the things like your orders, position and everything. If you want to view your order book or position in a full screen manner, you can tap on this box button. So here you can see in a full screen way. Got it? So if you click on this again, it will exit the full screen, and if you click this, it will close. So this is how you can do it. So guys, yes, this is about the Upstock. So these are the basic things, and these are the features what are available on Upstock, and this is how you can use it. Okay, so I hope you got knowledge on how to use a Upstock trading platform in this video. So if you don't have an Upstock account, you can open it today for free. You can go to the link in the description below, click on the link, and you can open your Upstock account for free. And if you want to learn how you guys can make consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join us now. So guys, I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is tradingzero.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program, and now they are making money consistently, and people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. So once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading, and also if you're new to stock market trading, I'll be guiding you from the basics to make you earn consistent profit. Okay, so you can go through all of these feedback messages and earning proof. So if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to start making consistent profit like this, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you'll be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you how to pick the stocks every day, and a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. That is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk-free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. And also you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos. There are a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload like how much profit we made on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.